Today I learned how to make a Tres Leches cake. And what caught me by surprise was there weren't that many dishes to be washed. I learned how to use a hand
I
mixer.
learned what the Mexican flour was and learned how to make a cake. Today I learned how to make cake with frosting. Thing that looks like whipped cream for the Tres Leches. And what surprised me was we didn't make a huge mess like we did last time.
Today I learned how to make Tres Leches, and what surprised me the most is how long it took to make the cake batter.
I think the cake is good.
I think it's delicious.
I think it's delicious.
I think it's perfect.
Tres Leches.